Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this is my third video of this playlist, which is theory question and an important topic in the subject of computer oriented numerical methods. So let's see. The topic is compare iterative methods with direct methods for solving systems of simultaneous equations. Here we have to compare the various iterative methods with direct methods which are used for solving simultaneous equations. Here we can see the comparison. In short, if this question arises in any exam or question paper, then we can write it in a short way, in a brief way. So the comparison table is given here. The criteria here in which we are comparing these both iterative method and direct methods are first characteristics, then advantages and limitations. So let's see point by point and understand it. Characteristics. The iterative methods have these three characteristics, and here the direct methods have these three characteristics. The first characteristics of iterative method is involves iterative refinement. Here the direct method involves direct elimination. Second, may not require explicit matrix construction. The iterative methods does not require explicit matrix constructions, whereas direct method requires a systematic process. It follows a systematic process. Third is the convergence determined by tolerance or max iter. Now the third is provides a guaranteed solution. Now, the advantages of iterative methods and direct methods. Suitable for large and sparse systems. The iterative methods are suitable for large systems or sparse systems. Universally applicable. It can be applicable anywhere. It is memory efficient. It has high accuracy. And it is parallelizable and it is not. Now the limitations. If we are doing comparison, it both have pros and cons. So we have discussed about the advantages and characteristics and the features which are providing by both the methods. Now let us see the limitation too. Convergence not guaranteed for all systems. It is limited for some particular systems only. It cannot be applied for every system. Computationally expensive for large systems. Direct methods are little bit expensive for large systems. Dependence on initial guess. The starting is main in this process. High memory requirements, especially for dense matrices. It requires a high memory. And now iterative method. Accuracy depends on the number of iterations. Its accuracy depends on how much number of iterations we are doing. Here the limited parallelization capabilities. It does not have a well parallelization capability. Now let's see it in a deep manner by understanding it. Iterative method and direct method characteristics. Here, iteration. Iterative methods involve iterative refinement of an initial guess to approach the exact solution gradually, whereas elimination in the direct method we are doing elimination. So here in elimination, direct methods involve the direct elimination of unknowns to obtain the solution in a finite number of steps. Here the second point is matrix free. These methods often do not require the explicit construction of the coefficient matrix. And convergence criteria. The convergence is typically determined by a specified tolerance or a maximum number of iterations. Systematic process follows a systematic process to transform the system into simpler form, leading to a solution. Accuracy typically provide high accuracy and a guaranteed solution if the system is well conditioned. Now, the advantages of both methods are described little bit explanative in this iterative method and direct method. Applicability suitable for large sparse systems where direct methods may be computationally expensive or impractical, and it has a good memory efficiency. often requires less memory compared to direct methods, particularly for sparse matrices. Parallelization can be parallelized efficiently, making them suitable for modern parallel computing architectures. Now, in the direct method, we can see there are 2 points, that is universal applicability and accuracy. In universal applicability, generally applicable to a wide range of systems regardless of the properties of the coefficient matrix. And now the second point here is accuracy. The direct methods provide highly accurate solutions and the results are not dependent on the choice of initial values. Now the third, limitations of both the methods, that is iterative method and direct method. The first point is convergence. Convergence is not guaranteed for all the systems. It depends on the properties of the coefficient matrix. Choices of initial guess. The choice of an initial guess can impact convergence and finding a good initial guess may be challenging. Dependence on iteration. The accuracy of the solution depends on the number of iterations and stopping the criteria must be carefully chosen. Now, in the direct method, here there are 3 points: computational complexity, memory requirements, parallelization challenges. Computational complexity can be computationally expensive for large systems. It is quite expensive for large systems, especially when dealing with dense matrices. Sometimes the calculation requires a dense matrices, so it is little bit difficult for the direct method to do it. Mm. Memory requirements may require substantial memory, especially for large systems with dense matrices. Parallelization challenges. Parallelizing direct methods can be challenging, limiting their scalability on modern computer architectures. Here, sorry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Here our video ends. Like, share and subscribe.